So, you're thinking about Shopify for your business in India? Let's talk about some powerful local options.
India's e-commerce market is set to explode. We're talking $163 billion by 2028, a huge opportunity.
But here's the thing. For a lot of folks in India, a giant like Shopify just doesn't quite fit.
It really boils down to this. Local businesses need local solutions for things like pricing and taxes.
Okay, so who are the main players? Let's check out 6 platforms built specifically for India.
First up, we've got Dukaan. It's all about speed and simplicity, letting you get a store online fast. Then there's Asan. Think super simple drag-and-drop building. It's perfect for beginners.
Instamojo is a dream for small businesses. And hey, their free plan makes it a no-brainer to start.
If you're already on WordPress, WooCommerce is a game changer. It gives you total control.
Now, BigCommerce is built to scale. It's got the heavy-duty tools for when your business takes off.
And don't forget Find. They're amazing at connecting your online shop with your physical stores.
Okay, so that's the lineup. But what about the cost? Let's talk numbers and fees.
And you'll see right away, the local options, they're often way more affordable than the big global guys.
But hey, price isn't the whole story. What about the features you actually need in India?
And this is huge. Local platforms just get it. They handle things like GST right out of the box.
So, how do you actually pick the right one for your business? Let's break it down. All right, if you're not a tech whiz, your focus should be simplicity and solid customer support.
So yeah, look for those easy-to-use builders. You really don't want to be messing with code. Starting out on a tight budget? Then cost is king. Every single rupee matters.
Check out those free plans to get your foot in the door. Just be sure to watch the transaction fees.
And what happens when you start growing? You're going to need a platform that won't hold you back.
Look for powerful features that can handle more sales and complexity. Think big.
Now what's interesting is the source for this info. They have their own platform called Digital Asin. And their goal is to be more than just a store builder. They help with everything, even registration.
The big idea is a full support system for Indian entrepreneurs, one that tackles local hurdles.
Which leaves you with a pretty big question, right? Is the future of e-commerce not global but hyper-local?